everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I thought I would show you how I remove my show makeup without ripping off my skin. Because as you know, show makeup is supposed to be impenetrable. We basically make it so that like anything can smash us in the face and we will be fine. And when I say smash, I mean like, you know, I'm a pole dancer. So I'm going to be putting my face into the pole. Sometimes maybe on the floor or the counter. So we need it to not move. Plus, as any performer of any type can tell you, the stage lights are hot as so. You sweat a lot. There's layers that we apply to make sure that our face stays on. How do we remove that? I'm going to show you how I do it. So first up, wear something you don't care about or that is easily washable, because you might get it messy. This is the oldest bathrobe that I own, which is still in great condition. I'm gonna put my hair up because I don't need all this makeup getting in my face, you know, or getting in my hair. I mean, I am gonna shower after this because, you know, but still, it just makes it easier. So I'm gonna put my hair up. Don't you love this bathroom lighting? Don't you love how lighting just like changes everything? So, hair up in bun. And now I'm grabbing my magic potions from my cabinet. The first thing I do is I take off my lipstick because I've been wearing this for a really long time and my lips are ready to be done with the lipstick. I'm wearing the Beauty Bakerie matte lip whips. If you've ever worn those before, you know that they are pretty much everything proof. So, since they are everything proof, this is not sponsored by the way, Beauty Bakerie makes a remover that works really well. You can use other products, you know, you can use other oils and makeup removers and stuff, but these are actually really, really good at removing so many different types of makeup, so I will use them for the lipstick and then I will continue on. So, but I will start with the lipstick. Hold it on my lips, let the oil penetrate. Well, I'm nerdy and weird while you guys are waiting. And I'm sorry I keep saying you guys. I'm trying to get out of the habit and use more gender neutral language. Like they, everyone, friends. It's an old habit that I'm trying to break. So I apologize. And now that beautiful color that I was just wearing, which was Cranberry Stiletto, by the way, if you loved it. And now we're good to go. Looks like a piece of bloody flesh. It's Halloween. This is an optional step. I like to just take a piece of toilet paper and blot the rest of the oil that's left on my face that has the colored lipstick on, because I'm not ready yet to start washing my face. I don't want to keep the lipstick transferring everywhere. So, the next thing is the lashes. Do not just rip your lashes off. You can do that. That is a very effective way to remove your lashes, but I strongly advise you not to if you would like to maintain the health of your natural lashes and your skin in general. So, you can use any type of makeup remover, any type of oil. I am wearing the type of lashes that you can reuse clean and reuse and sanitize, disinfect, all the things. So I will take a little bit of micellar water. I like this one from Simple because it is really, really easy for my sensitive skin, and I have no issues with it. And I've got this mirror right here, and I'm just going to take the Q-tip and rub it along the base of the lash. To help remove it. There we go. And we will do the other lash with the other side. Let me know if you want a video of how I clean and disinfect my lashes so that I can reuse them, because girl, like, I like these lashes and I want to use them again because these were good lashes. Lavender Beauty. So other eye. Micellar cleansing water. Okay. So now while I'm here, I use a really like heavy duty liner when I'm doing this. So because my eyes water a lot. So I will also rub this Q-tip over my liner to start getting that removed as well. I'm going to do that on the other side. Now it's not going to take all of it off because it's a heavy duty liner, but I'm just getting the surface layer. Okay. We'll fast forward. The other thing I do is I am wearing liner in my waterline, lower and upper. I will take a dry Q-tip to remove that because that's not going to come off when I do the rest of my face, because, like, you're not supposed to put that stuff in your eyeballs, okay? And I'm on the magnification part of the mirror. I'm going to bend the Q-tip back to minimize the fuzzies that get in your eye because, by the way, if you're an optometrist or an ophthalmologist or a licensed optician or anything, like, you know, like, you're not supposed to put things in your eye, as they will all tell you. So, all of the little fibers I peel away, and then I will gently pull my lash line down so that I can wipe the liner off. And you don't need any sort of remover to do this. Don't put any of those in your eye. Like, it'll just come off with the Q-tip. Same thing with the upper line, except now I'm just going to look up and away. And most people probably don't have this many steps to taking off their makeup, but because I have sensitive skin, I have eczema, I have EDS, connective tissue disorder. So, like, I've got to do some things because of my medical issues that will just make things better for me personally. But if you're a normal person, what is normal? Then maybe you don't need all of this. And if I end up on anyone's Pro MUA Reacts videos, Robert Welsh, I'm looking at you. Someone let me know so I can watch the video. But also I'm a Pro MUA and this is what I'm doing, so to each their own. All right, final step. The oil. Or cleansing balm, whatever you use. So this is the one I use from Clean It Zero. This is the original. They have a couple of different scents or flavors, as you might like to call them. And this is where I will remove the rest of my makeup before I go in the shower to wash up. I've never actually seen what it looks like when I'm doing this, but I imagine it's just going to be like a whole huge mess. Now, depending on how much makeup you're wearing and how many layers you're wearing, you may have to repeat this step a couple of times. And I also, we blend down our neck. So I have foundation on my neck because I blended down my neck. But I will take that part off in the shower because I have to take off my robe to do that because I'm messy. I can't do it at the sink because I can't. That's just me. So, because this is how much I'm using for the amount of show makeup that I am currently wearing. If glitter is involved, which I'm not wearing glitter right now, I know, it's a travesty, right? Then I have other things I do for removing glitter specifically. So let's see what this looks like. I'm very excited to watch this part of the video. Now I'm gently rubbing around my eyes to remove eye makeup and mascara. Be very careful when you are rubbing this stuff on your lashes because you don't want to get it in your eye, of course, so make sure you keep your eyes nice and closed as you're rubbing on your lashes. So I rub down, I rub up, down, up. And I do a little side to side, not a lot because you don't want to rip your lashes out. So up, down, a gentle side to side to get the base, gentle. And it feels like I've gotten everything off. I can typically tell with my fingertips if I've gotten all of the makeup off. The only part that I sometimes have to do again, mostly will be my eyes. If I didn't get all of the mascara off or all of the liner because, obviously I can't open my eyes so I can't see. So let's go over to the sink over here and we'll see how I did. Now I am just turning on the water and I'm going to rinse all of this off. I believe I'm off camera at this point in time, but I'm just taking handfuls of water and splashing it on my face and then rubbing the water on my face. Taking extra careful with my eyes, because when I open my eyes, I want to make sure that there's nothing in them. All right, let's see, how'd we do? Whew. Not bad. Fresh-faced. Well, almost. I still have to do the second cleanse, which is actually washing my face with a cleanser. But you guys can't come in the shower with me, so sorry. But I will show you two of the cleansers that I use. If I'm washing my face at the sink, then I use this one by First Aid Beauty, the Pure Face Cleanser. If I'm washing my face in the shower, like I'm going to do tonight because I'm going to go and shower, then I use this face wash because my husband is also willing to use it, and I don't want to have two face washes in the shower, so I just use his. But this is just a normal face wash. There's like you know, soap-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic, all that jazz. Purpose face wash. One of those, you know, like the Cetaphil kind of brands. So, normal face wash. And there you have it. That's how I remove my show makeup. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Let me know what else you want to see. I can't promise I'll make all of them, but I'll surely try. I hope you all have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, a wonderful wherever you are, whenever you are, and I will see you all next time.